How to fix Drizly app issue. If you're experiencing issue with the Drizly app, the most likely reason is that Drizly has officially shut down. Uber, which acquires the company in 2024, discounts the standalone Drizly service at the end of March 2024 to consolidate its operations. If you're having issue logging in, so you just have to make sure to use Uber Eats. So you could use the same credential as your Disney or as your Drizly app, and that's gonna help you logging in. However, if you're still having issue with the Uber Eats, what you could also do is you could also go ahead and disable any sort of VPN or extension that you're using. You might also want to make sure to go ahead and check the local store or retailer. Many stores that previously used Drizly now offers their own online ordering or are available on that platform like Instacart or DoorDash as well. And if you're still trying to access your account for order history or data, the app is crashing, you could try fixing. You could simply force stop the app, or maybe try cleaning your cache and data, or maybe try connecting to a stable internet as well. This is how you'll be able to fix your Drizly app issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.